5 naturally ways to detox lungs for smokers. 1. Green tea. Before bed, drink a cup of your favorite herbal green tea for contaminants that can contribute to constipation in your intestine. Refrain from overloading the lungs with tiresome work during this purification process. 2. Lemons. Add a quarter of a cup of lemon juice and drink before breakfast in a large glass of warm water. Instead of lemon jus, you can select for lung cleanse a glass of pineapple or cranberry juice. 3. Carrot juice. Drink at least 300 milliliters carrot juice from breakfast to lunch, helping the body to alkalize for the detox lung. 4. Ginger. Well, dear old ginger helps the respiratory tract to get rid of the lungs and eliminates toxins. The easiest way to eat ginger is to eat ginger tea raw. In approximately half an hour, you can also have a ginger powder bath. Sweating is encouraged and toxins are eliminated from the body. 5. Yoga. Practice deep breathing for half an hour a day. This is going to help you flushing out the impurities from your lungs.